The desktop is dead. For 40 years, it was our home base, a wallpaper, a taskbar, a start button. But leaked internal documents from Redmond suggest that Windows 12 isn't just an upgrade, it's an eviction notice. Imagine an operating system that doesn't live on your hard drive. It lives in the ether. No local files, no C drive, just a stream of liquid data beamed directly to your screen. Today, we're tearing apart the CorePC project leaks. Is this the future of computing or the ultimate privacy nightmare? Welcome to Neurotech. Let's boot up. First, let's talk about what you'll see. The rumors point to a complete visual overhaul codenamed Next Valley. The iconic taskbar is no longer anchored to the bottom. It floats, a capsule of frosted glass hovering in a void of cyan and magenta. Microsoft is doubling down on depth. Windows aren't just 2D squares anymore. They have volumetric weight. Think of the Aero aesthetic from Windows 7, but rendered in 8K liquid crystal. The top bar is now a dedicated status command center, much like macOS, but fully adaptive. But here is the kicker. The wallpaper is alive. Using generative AI, your background shifts based on your mood, the time of day, or the music you're listening to. It's not just an interface, it's a living organism. But the pretty glass UI is just a distraction. The real revolution is happening in the silence of the code. In Windows 11, Copilot is just a button. In Windows 12, Copilot is the operating system. Leaks suggest a hybrid architecture. Low latency tasks happen on your local NPU. That's the neural processing unit. But the heavy lifting, that happens in the Azure cloud. This means your OS can understand context like never before. You don't search for resume.docx. You just say, show me the file I was working on last Tuesday while listening to Spotify. And the system knows. It remembers. It connects the dots that you forgot existed. Now, take a breath. Here comes the cold shower. If the OS lives in the cloud, who owns your computer? Rumors of a subscription-based model have been circulating for years. With Windows 12, it might finally happen. A free tier that runs locally but with limited AI, and a pro tier that requires a monthly fee to unlock the full cloud brain. Furthermore, the hardware requirements. If you don't have a dedicated NPU chip, you might be left behind in the legacy era. Millions of perfectly good PCs, obsolete overnight. Windows 12 aims to dissolve the barrier between you and the digital world. It promises a fluid, liquid experience where the computer anticipates your needs before you do. But the cost is control. We are moving from owning our tools to renting them. Are you ready to trade your privacy for the ultimate convenience? The update is coming. The question is, will you click install?